Hi, my name is Mia Knowles Davis, a senior web developer with the City of Newport News, and welcome to the GeoHUB. The GeoHUB is designed to make it easy for anyone to access city data and other information free and to learn more about the work that the city is doing every day. Join me as we take a tour of the GeoHUB. Let's start by exploring the menu at the top of the main page to browse the content categories. To directly access content, use the search bar at the top. Keywords can be entered for maps, dashboards, documents, and other data sources related to the search. More reference content and a feedback form are available at the bottom of the page. Open Data. The Open Data portal lets users explore the data and mapping applications, read about GIS in Newport News, and see tips. Datasets are tagged with categories as they are published, so layers can be downloaded and viewed by popular topics. If you have questions or don't find what you are looking for, please send us an open data survey. Data stories. A data story is a web map that has been thoughtfully created, given context, and provided with supporting information so it becomes a standalone resource. Data stories bring together maps, photos, videos, and text to craft a narrative that informs and inspires. Map Gallery. The Map Gallery is a comprehensive page with both live interactive and printable maps. Maps for enterprise zones, election boundaries, the many biking trails in the city, as well as many other topics can be found here. Tasks include seeking out evacuation zones and routes, locating nearby parks or resource information for businesses. Dynamic dashboards are interactive and can also organize information through charts and maps. The goal of using dashboards is to make information easier to digest through visuals. Drone program. Using unmanned aerial systems, more commonly known as drones, can benefit staff, residents, and visitors to the city through more efficient use of municipal resources. The City of Newport News is committed to utilizing innovative technologies to revolutionize how it gets things done. Please explore the videos on this page to see some of the exciting work we are doing. City initiatives. City initiatives are the big goals set by the mayor, city council, and city management revolving around the Newport News Strategic Goals and Comprehensive Plan, which was adopted in 2018. Since these goals often involve a number of different city departments, each initiative has its own page with content created to support each goal. GIS Viewer. This GIS Viewer application contains multiple navigation tools and a variety of base map options. Included in the GIS Viewer are years of historical aerial photography, street maps, dozens of city data layers, and other features to make mapping technology more accessible to the largest possible audience. Search for parcel information, explore data layers, or try the pictometry option. A bird's eye view to see 360 degrees around any property in the city. A more comprehensive GIS Viewer tutorial is available at the top of the viewer page. The GeoHUB is a site to share data-driven content and tools to guide the city and community toward a collective future vision. Keeping data current, making it accessible through the GeoHUB, and continually providing new content is one of the most valuable things the GIS team offers to employees and the public. Everyone is encouraged to access this data, use it, and to get a better sense of what is happening in our community.